Let's start up this old Citra coach. Sound like the battery's going dead again. I had this coach long. I just purchased it today. Look at the mileage. Look. 53,000 kilometres on the clock. And that's going to happen. Right. Ignition back on. Nope. It's not going to start. Now, why am I going to get it to start, guys? Hold on a minute. You have to press the ignition key. Press the M key. Had a jump start all the time. I don't know, the alternator issue, I don't know. It's not the, I hope it's not the alternator. Guys, you've got this DLC on OMSI 2, right? I've got this DLC. This is an analog tachograph. You pull it out. See this white tachograph disc? You pick that. It goes into the tacho head. Lock it something like that, zoom it in. And not to I see if I can look better. Unlock it. Now lock it. Now this bus is quite good. I don't know why this bus has got a starting issue. Let's go up there, there's some blind. Pull down windscreen blind, electric window. This bus has got an electric window. What button it is? The window heater about there. The window works. The window works really well. The window works. I don't know why this coach has got a starting issue. All of my other buses don't start like that. That one starts, this one starts, that one starts, all of these start up. No problem. Except this bus here I'm in now. Right, let's do one more time. Is that a gear? How to change gear and it's on the 2, right? Change gear, this button, all the number keys. First, second, third. Reverse. Make sure the horn. Right, let me see if I can start this bus up again. I hope it's not the I hope it's not the alternator. Please, not the alternator. Let's get all these controls done in a moment. Right, let's see if it starts now. Why? It won't start. It's got fuel. I think it's the battery on its way out. Again? Right, guys, I need to click the mouse. Oh, sorry about the worst camera work in the world. And I keep putting that button there to start the coach. I don't know why this bus won't start. This bus is an absolute pile of junk. I don't know. Pile of junk, this coach is, man. I don't know why this old coach will not start when I turn the ignition key. Look, up here, the wall light's not on. Look, one more for the handbrake. All this is a battery light on. The battery light is not on the dashboard. I don't know what's wrong with this pile of junk coach. Oh, this gets on my nerves sometimes. Buses that won't start. This is my pet hate. Watch my previous videos. I've got a lot of buses that won't start on this game. Check back on the previous videos I've done on this game. All of these buses will not start. This one is more an exception. Let me see if it starts or runs. Right, guys. Right, the tachograph is analog. More so about that. That's the temperature gauge. Radio, FM, AM, Woolon-Wave cassette player with cassette deck. Let's go to the gear stick. This bus has got a 6-speed manual gearbox. Ticket machine. That is for the alarm, panic alarm. I don't want to press that button. I can't reset it. Driver's light. Up the top there we got a pull down sunshade, sun blinds. Pull down sunshade, that's what I call it. I'm on top again. This is how to adjust the mirrors. That's how simple we play this game, really. This is on. I'm playing this on the laptop, on that Acer laptop. Let me see what making. Hold on, guys. See what making laptop is. It's an Asus Tough gaming laptop. I'll show the specs. I'll show the specs quickly. This is the specs on the laptop I got. Put it there. I'm not getting specs. So I'll get the specs properly when I exit the game. So this is a pretty good laptop, actually. Pretty good. iCore i5. Very good laptop. This is a very good PC. Very good laptop. Good for the price, actually. Run this game, no lag. Pretty smooth game, no lagging. This coach got the bus style keep door. Right, I need to leave the door open. This bus will not blinking start. I need. Oh, we got a normal horn. Little car horn. We got an air horn. I love an air horn. Oh, look at that. That's a beast of a coach. This is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. You get notified when I upload a new video just like these game here. And car reviews and that. On Friday the 8th of August, I'm going to pick up our rental car. We're going away soon. We need a rental because I don't like the Audi A5. It's really uncomfortable. We are renting a Peugeot 5008 from Enterprise Rent-A-Car. I'll do a video when we get the car, when we pick it up. It'll be on Friday. We're going around there to Enterprise to pick the Peugeot 5008 up. It's an SUV. It's a 7-seater because we need a bigger boot for the stuff we're taking away. So, less of the waffle. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.